Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So guys, today I'm bringing you this really delicious chicken recipe. Guys, if you are like me and you love to cook but you don't have a ton of time to spend in the kitchen, then this recipe is for you. It's amazing how tasty and yummy this chicken breast recipe is, and yet it's so simple and easy to whip up. Guys, if you want to learn how to make my mushroom and cheese stuffed chicken boob, then just keep watching. Guys, while you're watching, please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, leave comments down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. So we're gonna start off by making a marinade for our chicken, and for this we'll need some thyme, we'll need some garlic powder, we'll need some rosemary. Guys, if you have the fresh one, use it. We'll need some chicken seasoning, any kind of chicken seasoning will do, and you need some salt, some black pepper, and some olive oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and whisk this up really good, and after whisking it, I'm gonna place my chicken in that bowl, seal this, and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Guys, the ideal situation would be for you to pour the marinade with the chicken into a Ziploc bag, but for some reason I did not have a large enough Ziploc bag, so I'm just sticking the chicken into the bowl, and it works. But if you have a Ziploc bag, use it. It's way better. That way your marinade goes around the chicken really good. So now I'm gonna cover this up and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. And while it's marinating, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the rest of the ingredients. You need some mushrooms, garlic, and hot chilies, because I like spice. Mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, some lemon juice, sun-dried tomatoes. You need some heavy cream and some butter. So while my chicken is marinating, I'm gonna go ahead and start off by cooking my mushrooms. So using some butter in my wonderful cast iron pan, I'm gonna saute some garlic, and I'm gonna throw in my mushrooms in there. Oh gosh, guys, you know I love me some mushrooms. So saute this for like 3 to 5 minutes until your mushrooms are soft and fragrant. You know, when you begin to perceive that beautiful umami aroma of mushrooms, you know it's good. Make sure you season with some salt and some black pepper, because I don't care how you cook your mushrooms, if it's not well seasoned, it's gonna be horrible. So after about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm gonna scoop this out of my pan and set it aside to cool down a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead with stuffing my chicken. So I have here 2 really beautiful chicken boobs that I'm gonna be using for this recipe. So using a really sharp knife, create a pouch within each chicken breast. Guys, be careful because you don't want to poke a hole in the chicken, but even if you do, it's fine, but try not to poke a hole, okay? So create a pouch that is good and big enough for you to fill in as much stuffing as you can in there, because guys, the more stuffing you have in the chicken, the tastier it's gonna be. So now that I have my pouch created, I'm gonna go ahead and stuff it first with my mozzarella cheese. I love some mozzarella, it's so gooey and tasty. And now I'm gonna go ahead with my mushrooms. Guys, remember the mushrooms are already cooked, because that makes it easier for you, because you don't want to stuff this with raw mushrooms and end up with undercooked mushrooms. That's gonna be horrible. So add some mushrooms in there, put some extra cheese. Guys, there is no formula right here. Just stuff it just the way you like it, with as much stuffing as you would want. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same process with another chicken boob, and we are gonna get to the fire to sear these bad babies up. So using the same cast iron skillet that I had used to saute my mushrooms, I'm gonna go ahead and sear my chicken for like 2 to 3 minutes on each side to give it some really beautiful color and to lock in all that flavor and moisture into the chicken boobs. Now guys, after this is done, go ahead and toss this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the chicken is perfectly cooked. And this is what it looks like. Guys, it looks and smells amazing. So go ahead and take these babies off the pan and begin to make the sauce. So put in some butter into the very same pan. I'm gonna melt this down and use this butter to saute some garlic and my chilies for just about 30 seconds to 1 minute until my garlic begins to get fragrant. So now I'm adding my heavy cream, and I'm gonna let this simmer for just about a minute. And while that is simmering, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the rest of my ingredients. So that includes some more heavy cream. And I have here some extra mushrooms that, you know, I could not stuff into the chicken boobs. I put that in, and my Parmesan cheese went in as well. And I'm gonna add my sun-dried tomatoes at this point, and after that I'm gonna brighten this whole thing up with some lemon juice. Guys, the acidity from the lemon juice is everything. It's everything. It's awesome. So now I'm gonna season with some black pepper and some salt, because you know you have to add some seasoning to this whole thing. So finish up by adding your parsley and stir it up, and go ahead and add your chicken breast back into the pan, and literally you're done. I'm telling you, it's done. Don't forget the juices from the chicken. You don't want to waste it. It's flavor in there. So add that back into your sauce. And this is what it looks like, guys. I'm telling you, doesn't it look good already? It's amazing, guys. I cannot wait to dig into this one. And I wish you were here. You could have eaten it with me, but no, you're not here. I'll eat alone. So go ahead and baste your chicken with as much sauce as you want to get all those juices right back into the chicken. So let this cook for maybe just about 3 to 5 minutes until the chicken takes up as much of the sauce as it can. Guys, I'm telling you, don't judge me, but this tastes and looks amazing. Anyway, enough of the slow-mo. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up. Today I'm just going really simple with some steamed broccoli, because I love me my steamed broccoli. I'm adding my chicken to my plate, and I'm gonna scoop in some more of that delicious sauce on top of the chicken, and then I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and thank you for all the support. I really love you guys. Thank you for watching, and guys, share this video, like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now and subscribe. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.